as you can see, it's covered in chicken dust, chicken dander. It's been sitting down in the lower barn for about 1.5 years now. I used it some back, let's see, it wasn't last summer, so yeah, about 1.5 years ago. I used it to do some cutting and pull some carts, but I've pretty much been done with it ever since I got that gray Craftsman YT3000 that I picked up. So it got sent off to Never Land, basically. And I've decided that, you know, I'm going through spring cleaning, doing stuff like that, that it was time to maybe clean it up, get it running right, and part ways with it. I'm going to sell it. So it's a good running tractor, and I've had a lot of good use out of it. I've used it for everything from snow plowing to grading the driveway. I used it to do a lot of things that it probably wasn't designed for. As a result, I've had to rebuild the transmission once on it, and it only has about 250 hours on it. But you know, it's got the K46 transmission, and they're just not designed for ground engaging equipment. But I had a sleeve hitch on it, and I was able to do all that stuff. I don't know if you remember the original video I made of this, but it used to have ag tires and wheel weights. And I've taken those off in preparation to sell it. So here it is. I'm going to wash it up. Now it does run. Surprisingly, it sat all that time, and really, I was surprised. Obviously, I treat my gas with stabilizer, so that wasn't a problem. But it had been sitting down there, and there were mice and all kinds of stuff. When I fired this thing up, I'll kind of get close to it. I looked at it. That's bird feathers and gosh, let me just close up here. You'll see it even better. That's bird feathers, rabbit fur, all kinds of stuff in there. So when I first fired it up, all that stuff blew out of the fins. And I'm going to take the time to clean all that because, well, the next person, I don't want them to have a vehicle that's not right. But mechanically, it's still good. It's just, it needs a serious cleaning. So first step is power wash everything. I'm going to vacuum and clean out all those ducts for the air-cooled area. Then I'm going to change the oil and filter, probably put a new fuel filter on it, top off the gas, and that's it. The battery is dead. I'm going to charge it this afternoon, see if it comes back. If not, I'll probably sell it with a dead battery. I mean, battery's $35. It's just the next owner will have to pick that out. But I'll stop the video here, and then we'll do some cleanup, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's ready to go. Look at that. It's like a whole new unit. I'll put a video at the end of this of it running, but wow, night and day, right? It's not uncommon to find a tractor like this for sale on Craigslist in the condition I showed it to you at the beginning of this video for 50 or 60 bucks. And you know, with a little love, a little care, this is what you get. It's just dirty. Greased all the fittings, changed the oil, changed the fuel filter, blew out the air filter. Didn't sharpen the blades because I think I remember sharpening them right before I took this thing out of service. But aired up all the tires to spec and washed it real good. Battery did not hold a charge, so I don't know. Maybe I'll buy a battery, probably not. Probably just sell it in need of a battery. And I have a different seat to go on there. But that's it. Say goodbye to the Craftsman YT3000. It has 263 hours on it. Not a bad unit for the price. I've had it for, what did I get this thing? Spring of 14, I think it was. No, spring of 13. So, 5 years? That's not bad. Probably going to ask, I don't know, 400, maybe 450. We'll see. It's a tough market right now for mowers. Anyway, I'll let the video run out on sounds of it running.